This may be the wrong temperature to be doing this in, but it's not too bad today. I think it's near the 30s. But I've started to clear out this garage. It's 26, 30 years of dust. I've already collected all of these sacks full of dust from the floor. Had a quick sweep around the main floor here to reveal the marble floors. Hopefully you'll get a good shot of the work that's involved. So I'm going to be clearing this room. If you can see it here behind me. It's the garage to the house. There seem to be some tiled floors which are in good nick. I don't know if they're marble. To get someone to have a look at that. As you can probably see, it's a lot of dust. Hence my breathing apparatus. I used a thin mask the other day. It didn't do the job. I think I swallowed most of the dust in the air. Anyway, gonna crack on. Well, that was a hard 4-5 hours. Just sweeping and tidying. I've managed to do 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms, just sweeping the floors. Reminder myself, I've got to get a different broom for cleaning marble. So I'll try and do that tomorrow. And I'll show you the work that I've managed to complete so far. Speak to you soon.